I'm a skin surgeon, so that's where I decided to start. So here I am doing surgery on a patient. There are a couple slides that might be disturbing. Here's a disclaimer. I didn't include anything too horribly gory. But here I am doing surgery, and I have taken out a skin cancer here. And now I'm cleansing the wound. So I'm cleansing away any of the cancer energy and any of the diseased energy and any of the stress energy that they may have had thinking about it. And then after surgery, there is a protocol in Master Choa's book on how to energize the wound after surgery so that it will heal faster with less scarring and be more comfortable for the patient. So I do this directly on the wound after I finish sewing up the patient. And the patients get really, really relaxed. It's really interesting for those of you who are pranic healers. So often when I'm sitting there energizing the wound, the patient will say, "Is anybody there?" It's almost like they feel like I've disappeared. I suppose I'm just going into a higher energy state. It's very interesting. So many people say that. Now, I did not tell my nurses that I was doing pranic healing, especially this one. This is Allison. I had just hired Allison, and she was one of the best nurses that I had ever been in contact with, and she's still working with me. And I didn't want them to think I was doing anything weird. I didn't want them to judge me, so I didn't tell anybody what I was doing. And then one day, Allison kind of got in my face in a nice way and said, "You know, the nurses are having a hard time getting the stitches out. They're so healed when they come to have their stitches out." And she looked at me and she said, "Are you doing something?" And that was such a moment because I'm like, okay, I might lose my best nurse right now, but I have to tell the truth. I have to tell the truth. So I did. I told her about pranic healing, and the nurses took pranic healing. I was really amazed at what I was seeing. Actually, Allison became a pranic healing instructor. And she's been in the practice for 15 years. Yeah. And it's just the most amazing thing.